Okay students, in this video we are going to learn about atoms, different elements, their symbols, how we write the symbols for various elements. Okay, so we have already talked about atoms. Okay, what are these atoms? They are the building blocks of every matter. Okay, so the atomic radius of an atom, it is measured in nanometers. Okay, all of you, I suppose you know what is a radius. Okay, if you draw a circle, okay, this is the diameter, half the diameter is the radius. Okay, so every atom, it has got its radius. Okay, from the radius, if you find out the radius, we can understand and know how small that particular atom can be. Okay, so you are given a table in your book, relative sizes of different atoms along with their radius in meters. Okay, for example, let us say this hydrogen atom, it has got a radius of 10 to the power minus 10 meters. Okay, so atomic radius, it is measured in nanometers. 1 by 10 to the power 9 meter is equals to 1 nanometer. Okay, so you can see 1 meter equal to 10 to the power 9 nanometers. So you can just imagine how small it can be. So the hydrogen atom having 10 to the power minus 10 radius in meters, that means 0.0000 this much meters. Just you can imagine how small the hydrogen atom can be. Okay, likewise we have got the molecule of water, it has got 10 to the power minus 9 the radius size. Okay, then for hemoglobin, it is 10 to the power minus 8. For grain of sand, very minute, it is 10 to the power minus 4. For ant, it is 10 to the power minus 2, and so on. Okay, so these are the radius given for different atoms of different substances. Okay, now we go to the symbols. So every matter, every element, every atom, we denote with certain symbols, right? So as you know, for hydrogen we write H. Okay, for phosphorus we write P. Okay, so here the list is given to you. These are the symbols used by Dalton, okay, when he was studying all those atoms and molecules. Okay, so these are the symbols used by Dalton. For hydrogen he used this way, phosphorus this, copper, lead, mercury, silver, iron and platinum. Okay, these were the symbols used by Dalton. In the present day, the symbols, they are approved by the UPAC system. That means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. They have to approve the symbols of different elements. Okay, and those we use now. For hydrogen we write H, phosphorus P, copper Cu, lead Pb, okay, mercury Hg, silver Ag, iron Fe, okay, platinum Pt, sodium Na, potassium K, aluminium Al, carbon C, chromium Cr, cadmium Ca, calcium Ca and cadmium Cd. Okay, now when we write the symbols, okay, you can see here silver, it is Ag. Okay, though it is silver, here it is S, we write Az. Why? This is because few elements have got their Latin names and the symbols come from their Latin names. Okay, so you can see mercury, instead of M we write Ag, that is hydrogen. Okay, so this is the Latin name of mercury. Lead, we do not write Le, we write Pb, that is the Latin name of lead, which is plumbum. Okay, then iron, it is Fe. Okay, we do not write I, it has derived from its Latin name, that is ferrum. Okay, then sodium, the Latin name is natrium, so we write Na. Potassium, the Latin name is kalium, we write K. Okay, so various elements have got their symbols from their Latin names. Okay, then one more important thing when we write symbols, we have to keep in mind is that when we write symbols, firstly we use either the first letter or first two letters. Okay, suppose carbon we write C. Okay, oxygen we write O. Yes, hydrogen we write H. Okay, so likewise, then calcium, I have shown you, it is Ca. Okay, so if the first two letters are already used, so what do? We just use the third letter. That means for calcium, you can see Ca is already used here. For cadmium, again we cannot use Ca. So we are using Cd for cadmium. So this is how we write the symbols for the various elements. So you have got a list in your book, okay, with different elements along with their symbols and names. Please learn all this. Thank you.